We're here at Orchard Dasmariñas, Cavite, where we will look at the house that blends both modern and tropical elegance. Tara, silipin natin. Pagpasok natin dito sa bahay, pagdating mo galing sa parking, makikita mo agad yung magandang entrance ng bahay na to. And as you can see, yung finishing niya, textured yung finishing niya, and it's really nice kasi waterproof din siya, hindi siya madaling ma-weather. And pag pumasok tayo sa bahay, itong gate na to at itong surrounding na to yung sasalubong sa atin. Kaya nga lagi kong sinasabi, I'm really always excited kasi mahilig talaga ako sa greenery eh. And as you can see, ang ganda niya, sobrang calming and relaxing niya kapag papasok ka ng bahay mo. Pag pagod ka na, tapos medyo stressed ka sa trabaho, ito yung bubungad sa'yo. And it's really nice. It's a great feature ng bahay na to. Pero wait, there's more. As you can see, there's a big box in this house. Ito yung isa sa mga secret feature ng bahay na to. Isa sa pinaka nagpaganda at nagpalaki ng value ng bahay na to. I'm gonna show you something really nice. This is an 8 kWp solar system. This solar system can effectively save you a lot of money kasi effectively, if ang kuryenteng usage mo is below 8 kilowatt peak kapag ka nakataas ang araw, all your energy needs will be provided by these three: breaker, inverter, battery. Sobrang smart din ang idea na yun kasi syempre yung bahay niya, karamihan ng parts ng bahay na to is very electronic, very smart, very effective, and I really like this door. It's a big wooden solid doors with an automatic and security system. See? Automatic na siya. Kailangan ng syempre fingerprint mo and all. Pero mamaya I'm gonna show you how to use it. If you go directly to this spot, meron kang carport for 3 cars. Kasyang-kasya ang kotse na 3 dito sa part na to. Ang ganda rin niya kasi high ceiling din siya, kaya hindi siya masyadong mukhang masikip. Kaya pag dumiretso tayo rito sa spot na to, tingnan mo yung mag-open up sa'yo dito sa parking lot. Pag pumasok ka ng garage mo ng parking, ito yung mag-open up sa'yo. Mataas na ceiling, tapos kitang-kita mo agad yung view. Ang makikita mo lang yung mga puno dito. Habang nakatambay kayo ng family mo rito sa outdoor sitting, ito yung bubungad sa'yo. And also, it's very nice kasi meron din another feature dito. Meron siyang dirty kitchen where you guys can invite your friends and family. Pagka magba-barbecue day, barbecue Sunday kayo, there's an outdoor or dirty kitchen here na meron din siyang stove, meron din siyang sink. And this one is very good kasi meron siyang special room para pwede mo siyang gawing maid's room, pwede siyang gawing stock room, and pwede mo rin siyang gawing office. May sarili din siyang CR. If you go dyan sa room na yan, makikita mo may sarili siyang CR. And another great thing that I really like about this house is yung integration niya ng outdoor and indoor. And nagawa nila yun sa pamamagitan ng paggawa ng parang corner na sliding door na to. So pag binuksan mo siya parehas, yung seamless open planning niya between the indoor and the outdoor, mag-o-open up siya for you. Kaya pag pumasok ka from the outside, from the outdoor, pag galing ka sa office, dyan ka nag-park ng car mo, pwede kang dito na dumaan at bubungad na agad sa'yo yung magandang bahay na to. This is actually a very nice space, a very good and modest sized kitchen and dining area for a very, very nice small to medium family. Featuring a very nice quartz countertop. Very smooth. Ang ganda ng feature niya and ang ganda ng color niya na blend dito sa bahay na to. And of course, while your family is eating there, pwede ka rito mag-prepare ng food for them. And also, pag tumalikod ka, na ready na rin yung lutuan mo, tapos yung smoke or yung fumes from whatever you're cooking, na-absorb sa nito and nako-convert niya into, you know, not entirely super walang amoy, pero very nice. Kumpleto rin, syempre, yung mga storage areas mo, paglagayan mo ng mga stock nyo or mga groceries nyo, hindi lang dito sa taas, pero meron din sa baba. But wait, there's more. Kasi nga, ang gusto natin or ang philosophy ng design ng bahay na to ay syempre gusto natin na nakatago, hindi makalat tignan, hindi messy, hindi masakit sa mata. So, meron ka ng storage up top, down below, but look at that place. It's also a storage area for whatever thing na kailangan mo ilagay dyan. And another very cool feature about this house is this sink. Look at this sink. Come on, man. See? Look at that. Di ba? Tayo mga Pilipino, isa sa mga thing talaga natin, masipag kasi tayo. Gusto natin, tayo mismo yung gumagawa ng mga bagay-bagay. So, ayun na, kompleto na siya. Pwedeng-pwede na. So, dispenser, ito yung lalagay mo yung baso ganyan, tapos hugasan niya. See? Ayan o. Magre-rinse ka ng plato mo, lalagay mo lang dyan. Kompleto na siya talaga. So, ang very, very convenient. And also pala, by the way, knife, kitchen utensils, knife, spoon, fork, everything. Pwede na rin siya dito. Nakita niyo yung soft close? There you go. Kompleto na rin siya. And as you can see, another cool feature, a very special feature, meron din siyang lighting dito. Kaya pag sa gabi, pag patay lahat ng ilaw, yung mga lighting na to, it adds ambience and it adds beauty sa kitchen mo. It's really nice kasi when you go here in the living room, a living space, or where you spend most of your time with your family, ang laki-laki ng space niya. Surprisingly, it's just around 100 plus, 150, 170 square meter lang yung floor area dito. Pero does it look like 170, 150 plus house? It doesn't. It opens up. It's open planning. Kitang-kita mo, ang laki niya tignan. And ang taas-taas ng ceiling niya. Kaya sobrang cool. Kaya gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo yung view. Galing sa labas, papasok ng bahay. Welcome to this modern, minimalist, tropical, elegant house. See? Ang ganda. Ang sarap mag-greet ng bisita pag ganito. Tapos yung sofa niya, very nice touch, space saver, pero very, very convenient. And of course, ang classy niya tignan. And also, look at this. Look at this textured finish din. Ang ganda niya. Nag-blend talaga yung 2 tones, 3 tones ng bahay na to. And the original plan, according to the designer, is dito raw lalagay yung entertainment system. Di ba? Ang ganda niya kasi while you're also in the kitchen, kapag ka meron kang soccer game, NBA, PBA game na ayaw mong ma-miss any second of it, kita mo siya while you're eating with your family. Now, let's look at the second floor. Very reminiscent sa akin yung hotel feels ng staircase na to. Kasi tingnan mo yung fun feature na to. Yung fun feature niya, yung mismong handrails niya, nilagyan nila ng strip light para syempre pag gabi, medyo pupungas-pungas ka, may gusto kang kuhain sa baba, makikita mo pa rin yung hinahawakan mo at saka dinadaanan mo nang hindi masyadong binubuksan lahat ng ilaw ng bahay. And look at this wall. Ang daming achievement ng family mo at sarili mo ang pwede mong ilagay rito sa pader na to. Pero to be honest, kung ako to, hindi ko siya masyadong lalagyan ng something. Anyway, safety feature, meron siyang emergency light. Pag nag-brown out, naka-charge yan, auto-on yan. So, hindi ka madadapa. Now, there's a question. I receive a lot of questions from my friends na tinanong nila, Dam, nung solar presentation ka, para saan yung pinto na to? And the answer is, itong pinto na to is another great surprise. Tada! Automatic. CR siya. Bathroom siya. Isa siya sa tatlong bathroom sa bahay na to. Automatic din siya. As you can see, everything is fully digital. Even yung toilet seat, meron siyang sensor. Pag pumasok ka ng bathroom, mag-open siya mag-isa. And ito yung tipong Japan style na toilet. Ang cool niya, di ba? Fully automatic. Everything can be controlled electronically. Yan. See? Babago-bago siya. And, of course, another great feature. Sobrang ganda. Ang angas ng part na to. Alam niyo kung ano to? Di ba? Ang ganda ng gripo nila. Kaya sabi ko, sobrang nice naman ang room na to. Kasi, kaya sila nagtatanong, ba't meron toilet doon sa labas? Kasi, finocus ng designer or ng architect ng bahay na to, yung lahat ng space per room para sa space saver ba, makapaglagay ng mas maraming gamit. Yung gagamit ng kwarto na to, imagine, nandito yung bed, tapos tingnan mo yung mga windows. Ang ganda niya tignan. Sobrang nakaka-relax siya. In the morning, pag gigising ka, medyo napuyat ka kagabi, kakagawa ng homework or whatever. Paggising mo, from this level, ang nakikita mo lang yung mga puno na to. Di ba? Ang ganda niya. Ang ganda ng windows. Meron siyang very nice view. Kung ako bibili ng house na to, I'll convert this room number 1 into my master's bedroom. Let's go to room number 2. Similar idea. Nasa labas na rin yung bath. So you don't need another bathroom in this space. So you can see, very comfortable. Ang ganda ng light na ginamit nila. And as you can see, high ceiling din siya. Mataas yung ceiling niya, kaya hindi cloistered yung feeling mo. Parang sobrang comfy lang ng datingan. Di ba? Kasi color yellow yung light. Oh, by the way, it's not just color yellow, ah. Joke lang. Color yellow lang pala siya. Ito pa lang gitna. White? Yellow. There you go. Meron pa yung isa, yung mix ng white and yellow. Pero ang ganda niya, di ba? So, in this room, I probably, if katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, if I'm the one who's gonna buy this house, I'm gonna choose this one as a master's bedroom. I have 3 daughters. Dito yung ate. Yan, dyan yung ate. At tapos dito yung panganay. Pero, ang original design is ito yung master's bedroom. This is where the magic happens. Come on, tingnan natin yung master's bedroom. A very spacious spot for you and your queen or for you and your king. Sobrang ganda ng spot na to. Sobrang, alam mo yung nafe-feel ko pag pinapasok ko tong room na to, it makes me feel as if nasa Airbnb ako sa Tagaytay. Alam mo yung feel niya, very, very calming and relaxing. And it invites you to really lie down and rest on your bed. Siyempre, dito sa master's bedroom, meron din tayong balcony. Now, in balcony, you can either use this as, a spot where you can contemplate and relax and just think about what you're gonna do in the future, or you can also use this spot na magkape and plan sa mga gagawin mo pa. Ang ganda nitong details na to. Tignan mo. See? Yung texture niya parang natural wood siya, and it's really, really adding dun sa energy ng bahay, which is yung modern, minimalist and tropical elegant or elegance na gusto nilang feels. And if you can, as you can see, meron din siyang strip light na pag gabi na, tapos binuksan nila yan, it adds more, bang dito sa property, dito sa bahay na to. But wait! There will always be more pagdating sa bahay na to. Look at this bathroom. Diba? Siyempre pagod ka na at gusto mong mag-relax, mag-auto-open o mag-automatically mag-open yung toilet seat para sa'yo king or para sa'yo queen. And then after you do your business here, pag gusto mo na mag-relax, pwede mo nang gamitin. Wala na yata akong kailangan pang sabihin. Ganun din, lahat ng CR or bathroom dito sa bahay na to, ito yung ginamit nilang sink na sobrang cool. Feature niya, this digital display is of course powered by the kuryente na nag-generate ng pressure ng tubig paakyat, palabas dito. So, ang ganda rin niya. And, ayan, ang linis-linis na tignan. And also, yung wardrobe mo, yung cabinets mo, ilagayan mo ng mga gamit. Meron din siyang lighting. Para syempre, hindi ka na mahirapan kasi ang gusto ng bahay na to, ang gusto or philosophy ng bahay na to, sabi sa akin ng designer is, ang gusto nilang ma-feel mo, maramdaman mo, or makuha mo sa bahay na to is ultimate relaxation. Kasi nga, dapat ang mga bahay is yung safe spot natin to rest and safe spot natin to recharge. And this house does just that. By the way, one of the reasons why I was invited to feature this very nice house is because the owner of Novillos Construction, one of the owners ng Novillos Construction is one of my very close friend. Sila yung nag-contractor ng Playhouse, if you guys remember that, Playhouse owned by Team Payaman. Sila yung naggawa nun, sila yung nag-design, sobrang ganda. And he invited me na pwede kami mag-collab ng something really, really nice and cool, which is baka pwede natin gawan ng smart and efficient and eco-friendly way na makagawa sila ng bahay for their clients. That's why we installed an 8 kWp solar system powered by Avantech. If you have any inquiries about Avantech and our solar solutions, just don't hesitate to message our page and I'll talk to you there, guys. But anyways, I'm really, really excited and happy, and actually, to be honest, naiinggit ako sa next na gagamit or bibili ng bahay na to. Kasi yung mga bata tayo, parang ito na yung dinidaydream natin ng mga bata tayo eh. And I really, really, really want this house for myself, but I can't afford it right now. But I want this house to be yours so you can experience and enjoy this smart, beautiful, modern elegance here at Dasmariñas Orchard, Cavite.